no value. So 4. 4 plus 0 is 4 only. It gives the same answer. If there is another ball, 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 has no value. Any number added with 0 gives the same answer. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. Adding 1 more. Adding 1 is otherwise called as adding 1 more. 1 more. Another name is 1 more. Princey had to play a game. For that game, she needs 5 balls. But she had only 4 balls with her. She goes and asks her friend, "Can you give me 1 ball? You can also come and play with me." So her friend gave her a yellow ball. So how many balls does she have now? She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So adding 1 gives the next number always. 5 plus 1 is 6. The next number. Adding on number strip. The question here is 6 plus 3. It's very easy. First, you have to start from 0. Move 6 steps. 1, go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have come to 6. Then, what is the next number? 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 9. Vertical addition. Vertical additions mean doing this way. And horizontal addition means doing this way. First we will see vertical addition. Here the question is 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. It is 8. So we should do like this. This is called the vertical addition. Now we will see horizontal addition. I am taking the same question. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. This is called the horizontal addition. Order in addition. I have 3 yellow balls and 1 orange ball. So here the question is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. Or 1 plus 3 is 4, the same. However we change it, right, the answer is same. 3 plus 1 is also 4 and 1 plus 3 is also 4. Adding 3 numbers. It is same like how we add the 2 numbers. This is 2-step addition. 7 plus 1 is game. But I have only 7 balls. So I go and ask one of my friends, can you give me a ball? She had only 1 ball. So she gave me. Now I have 8 balls. But still I need 2 more. I go to another friend. Can you give me 2 balls? Yes, she gave me 2 balls. 7. First I had 7 balls. Then one of my friend gave 1 ball. And then my another friend gave me 2 balls. So 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. Now I have 10 balls.